kids, today we are going to learn about birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Bird has two legs. Birds lay eggs. Mouth of a bird is called a beak. Bats have no teeth. Bird uses its wings to fly. Body of a bird is covered with feathers. Let's learn some names of the birds. Here we go. First, let's see crow. This is a crow. It is black in color. Crow, crow. This is a crow. This is a parrot. It is green in color. It has red colored beak. Parrots have the ability to mimic and can imitate like humans. Parrot, parrot. This is toucan. The toucan is a colorful bird. It has huge beaks. Toucan, toucan. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It has a long neck. Peacock looks so beautiful when it spreads its tail. Peacock, peacock. This is a quail. The quail is a small bird. A plum on the top of its head bob as they walk. Quail, quail. This is a sparrow. The sparrow is also a small bird. It is grey in color. Sparrow, sparrow. This is an ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostrich does not fly, but it runs very fast. Ostrich, ostrich. This is a penguin. Penguins have black and white feathers. Penguins are the seabirds. Penguin cannot fly, but it can swim faster inside the water. Penguin, penguin. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. It is pink in color and it has long legs and long necks. Flamingo, flamingo.